Let's start with a quick look at the cell that's going to be used in my feature definition in a moment. I've selected the construction class line style 5 point, and you can see it here. If we go to perhaps a front view, you can see how that point is coincident with the base of the chamber. Now let's look at our calculation options. Here's the new option to apply the sump depths to the inverts, and here's a setting for where the sump depth is measured from. So now let's place some new manholes. The feature definition I've chosen has a sump, so we'll place 2 nodes. Now let's place a conduit between them. So if we select a node here and we review its sump depth, that sump depth is 0. This one isn't 0. If we go back to that node and we review the inverts, you can see that the invert of the node matches the invert of the outgoing conduit. If we select this node that we've just placed, you can see that the invert of the node is lower than the invert of the conduit by the sump depth. If we create some hydraulic runs, we'll accept those, and then we'll review them. Here's the first profile run across the top here, and we can see how the invert of the conduit matches the invert of the node. But on this second profile run, we can see how the invert of the node is lower than the invert of the conduit. And if we look at the analysis profile, we can see the same difference reflected there as well.